Palgwe Jang. 준비. Big stance, down block. Big stance, inside body block. Repeat the other side. Stepping forward, inside block. Big stance, down block. Back stance, inside block. Back stance, inside block. And big stance punch with the key up. Left foot step, back stance, double knife block. Back stance, inside block. Repeat the other side. Left foot, left hand, inside block. Big stance, down block. Big stance, knife attack. Big stance, knife attack. And big stance punch with the key up. Repeating first 4 steps. Inside block. Turn, big stance, down block. Step forward, inside block. Left foot stepping, facing forward. And paro.